I'm going to do a presentation on sustainable urbanization. That is the question, exploring the impact of housing policies in 3 countries in Africa. That is Nigeria, Tanzania, and South Africa. Why this presentation? You know, housing policies in developing countries are very critical for ensuring that people have got shelter as one of the Millennium Development Goals and one of the Agenda 21. I will highlight the current population of Africa in general, and then I will zero in terms of figures in these 3 developing countries. I will look at some sustainable urbanization indicators, exploring the growth of the urban population, looking at the growth of the slum areas, and generally exploring the impact of unplanned settlement in the region, and then some questions why. Looking at the present population of Africa, it is about 370 million people. But this is likely to double in 3 decades' time. That is, by year 2030, there is likely to be a population of 760 million people. This is almost twice the current figure. And if we look at the global perspective, about 32% of people will be living in unplanned settlements by the year 2030. So these are issues, critical issues that need to be addressed, not only by these countries in the region, in the Africa region, but this is a global initiative, like the UN Habitat, which is responsible for ensuring people have got decent shelter. But the question is, to what extent are people in East and Southern Africa region, for instance, have sustainable housing? You will find that, for example, in East Africa, where Tanzania is located, you'll find 40 to 60% of the people live in unplanned settlement, and this is according to the BBC year 2006, and the UN year 2008 figure. They assert that about 40 to 60% people live in unplanned settlement. So these are key issues that need the global attention. But why global attention on urbanization?